Talking of the next 2 quarters to start with, I think one of the key tasks is to get the volumes back. In the last few years, company has done very well in value, but the volumes have kind of not grown. So it's extremely important that we bring back the focus on volumes, because that's what determines the shelf space in the market. And even till now, distribution contributes to more than 80% of the company's volume. So it's very important that we maintain focus on that and continue to retain our strong market share. So that's the first and foremost thing. The other area is basically how to bring focus to different activities which are going on, because there are a lot of interesting marketing initiatives which either have been launched or are in the pipeline, like the e-commerce project which has been launched recently. Then there's a comprehensive market research which we are going to undertake, and so we have to see that how these initiatives deliver the promised benefits to the organization, because that's very important. Third is again related to marketing. We have to do more things which are supporting our network, and market conditions I see are going to be tough in the next few months. They are not going to be very buoyant given what's happening around, and Kenya is no exception to what is happening around in the region. So I see market conditions being tough. In that scenario, we have to support our customers in terms of the activities at the dealer level, which is POSs, merchandising, etc. Even like small projects, how we can help the dealers get those small projects in their areas. Another area which I feel we are little complacent, I think, is customer servicing, in terms of how to get the parameters very sharply defined, and how we monitor them, and to really delight the customer. Because I met a couple of distributors, they said even if the material comes after one day, they are okay. But that is not how we are supposed to be as a leader. Today the competition is less, tomorrow it will be more, but we have to keep sharpening ourselves from right now. People know what is to be done. It is just that setting the task for them, and people are capable. That's what I have seen. They are capable, they are experienced, they know how to look at the data. And last is again related to data. I think we have a lot of data, but I think the next stage is to move. People have to move is how to analyze that data, and keep looking at for improving their own areas of work, deriving efficiencies, and becoming more productive.